Let me say now I'm okay with what I have and I want to create images and export. So before, we used to go somewhere here and to go to media and stuff. Now they have media here, you can see media. So you click on media, and now you can, from media, you can choose what you want. The first thing is image, the second is video, third is panorama, fourth is panorama set, then fifth should be presentation, then facing. Nice. So I can click on images. So we are just doing it in a no particular order. So like I said, we are not yet done with our structure. You're still trying to do, I'm just trying to do a shell on the top. I want to have this texture on the top to bring in something more like Africanness or stuff. Anyways, let's continue. So if I have this set of pictures, just 4 of them, I now click on export. So once you click on export, unlike before whenever you clicked on export, it opened all the pictures for you. I mean, you choose either export picture or video or panorama or presentation. Then once you click on image, it opens all the images for you. Now for now, the difference is all these things are here. You can see image, video, panorama, and presentation. For me, for now, I only have images. So I click on image on this addition side. And now something important is you can be able to choose the format of the image. Whether you want PNG, whether you want JPG, or EXR. So you click on plus. Once you click on plus, you can now be able to choose the images that you want. Okay, so you can choose this. Maybe I want these 2, or maybe if you want all, you just click select all. If you just want a few, then you can just click a few that you want. And once you're done, like I've clicked 3, you click on start export. You have to choose a file where you want to export it. So for now, for me, I can just say, let me create a new folder here in gyms, and